So if it's as good as you say it is, why isn't everybody doing it? Just afraid? They don't believe it?
Yeah, it's fear. Fear's the big thing holding people back. And
Afraid of the pain.
afraid of the pain and worried that and embarrassed that even that they come and see me. They're embarrassed to come and see me many times.
These people don't want to smile.
They don't want to smile, and they don't want to subject themselves to such a personal situation.
Okay. You say you give people a chance to smile again.
Randy, let me show you another case.
All right.
This lady had lost all of her confidence in her smiling. You know, she loved to golf, she loved to be out in social settings, and she found herself being very withdrawn. If you look at the before...
She looks like a happy lady, though, even though those aren't the most attractive.
She's a very happy lady, but she was concerned because she knew deep down inside that she had problems, and she saw her mother struggle with dentures, and she didn't want to end up just like her mother. So
all right.
we had to clean up the disease process.
Gums you're referring to.
The gums. We used dental implants to secure her teeth, and you know that really put her back into the lifestyle she always enjoyed in her life. Now look at this after, Randy. We've made the two front teeth longer.
Yeah, they don't look like dentures.
No, we've broadened her smile. We've added lifelike gum tissue to this case, so when she does smile really big, no one will ever know that those aren't her teeth.
She looks younger.
She absolutely takes. We take years off a lot of these people. Now here's another patient. She was absolutely terrified to come and see us. And when she found out about sedation dentistry, that motivated her to have her problems fixed. She was wearing partials, she had decay all over the place, and we were able to use implant dentistry and cosmetic dentistry to give her smile back to her.
So partials in the front area?
Actually, partials on the side. So we use just a few implants on the side and implants, and then we use some cosmetic dentistry around the arch to make everything kind of flow and give her a confident smile back. Now, look at these side by side. What's the difference that you notice?
Well, she looks younger.
Definitely looks
Looks
younger.
classier almost.
She's
like more sophisticated. It looks good.
She's a different person, Randy. She's a different person. She comes across as a completely different person.
You like this, by the way.
I love
the dental
this.
implant thing.
I love this. You know, we're able to change people's lives every day. I get to go home every day.
They write you letters sometimes?
They write us letters. They bring us, you know, cakes and cookies.
Okay.
They become part of our family. I mean, it's a different relationships than most dentists have. It's not a 20-minute filling where they run in and out. We get to know people. They get to know us.
And we're just about out of time. We have time for a few more photos.
Okay.
Probably two more.
Randy, let's take a look at this patient. Fear kept this woman away from the dentist.
I mean, is that common? Because her teeth are a mess.
Randy, is very common. I mean, she smiles with her mouth closed. I mean, she has hidden this situation from friends, family. No one knows how she suffers on a daily basis. And you can see that.
Now, is this a person that just kept their teeth too long, in your opinion?
Absolutely. She held on to her teeth. That caused problems in the gums and bones. And it makes it actually harder for me when they stay away longer to help them, actually.
So what did you do for her?
We had to get the teeth out, all of them, clean up the infections in the gums and bones. We used implants to give her teeth back and secure her teeth. And really, it completely changed the way this woman thinks about herself.
Look at this. I mean, you know, we've got to put this on camera. Now, this is an extreme makeover.
This is an extreme
huge
makeover.
Difference.
Absolutely. It's more than just.
She looks like a dental model. I mean, she looks like you know.
But this
it looks great.
This is a normal patient in our practice. You know, this is what we do. This is how we change the lives of our patients.
Now, when this woman sees her teeth for the first time, I guess in the mirror, are you there for that? I mean, what do they say?
Absolutely. It's
like
exciting.
Emotional?
It's very emotional.
Why is it then I see these flat, straight, denture-looking?
And they look
is
like
that just the hands in the
That's the
dentist?
hands of the dentist, absolutely. You have to be an artist as a dentist. You have to look at each person's facial structures and match the teeth to the person. And each one of these are custom creation just for that individual.